So once again, let me tell you, because lot many people, they have come afterwards. My name is Chitranjan Singh. I am from Delhi, and I am here in MobilePe since beginning. Say you can say 2020, when the things were not in the paper even, and from that day onwards. So today presentation, whatever I am going to give you today, I have divided into 4 parts, gentlemen. So each part, like first part, it will have no overview of MobilePe. I know you people are daily Zoom meeting is being conducted and you are seeing every day, but it is my duty just to explain few parts of the MobilePe, like what is MobilePe and the strategy of MobilePe, how it is going on, and the revenue sharing process of MobilePe. The next is no vendor process. I know you people are knowing, but most of the people, they are not knowing. So what is the vendor process? I will just explain in a very small quantity, how much you can understand that way only. And the why vendor process is there, and some facts of vendor process system in India that you must know. And the revenue generation part, how the vendors, MobilePe is going to earn money from vendors, and the distribution through vendor process, how it is going to be conducted. And next is FSC, that Financial Suvidha Center. All of you know that what is FSC, you must know. And the strategy of MobilePe in FSC appointment, what kind of a strategy MobilePe is going to adopt, and the revenue sharing process to FSC. And of course, the last, which is, I think you people might be very happy to see this on the screen, the UPI, the Unified Payments Interface. So what is ToPay? It is very much important you people to know what is ToPay, and how will UPI of ToPay will work, because that UPI, the MobilePe is going to provide you, it is from ToPay, because the wallet you are using, that is from ToPay, but it is being used in MobilePe e-commerce private limited. So benefits of ToPay UPI, and some facts about UPI transaction in India, and will there be any revenue generation through UPI, and when will UPI start? Okay, so I'll just explain one by one. Gentlemen, the digital payment processor industry is rapidly growing in India, you all know, and we are very opportunate to have MobilePe as a digital platform, so that we are using it and we can transform our income through MobilePe in coming years. And so far we have been, but it is in very less quantity, but in coming years, you can have a lot of money out of MobilePe. Okay, why? Because it is a unique blend of digital transaction, affiliate marketing, referral marketing, and of course the hybrid banking also. As you people are seeing, that we will be able to transfer money to any individual, and also we can scan and pay to any of the business activity, like going to the shops and the malls and the online platform, and we will be able to use it. Okay, so what is happening, gentlemen? There are some graphs and statistics on digital transaction in India. You must know. See, the digital payment transaction, the volume of digital payment transaction in India, it has increased from 2071 crore. It was there in 2017-18. But now the last quarter, last one, the 23-24 till March 31st March, it has 18,592 crore. Okay, the value of transaction increased from 952 lakhs crore to 3,658 lakh crore during the same period. And slowly it is increasing. You can just see the volume of transaction in crores. It is taking place, right? So from MobilePe, you are getting a self commission of 20%. Whatever the you have seen into the video, that company is receiving 1% to 1.25%, and out of the 1% or 1.25%, whatever the company is getting, it is being divided into 75% and 25%. Out of the 75%, you are receiving 20% as a self commission from FASTag recharge, voucher purchase, flight ticket, broadband, blah blah, whatever it is there. And vendor process, you are going through the vendor process, and like vendor process means someone has registered the vendor and you have gone and purchased some items from that vendor, or you have taken a service from that vendor. So in that case, you will be receiving 51%, gentlemen. Okay. But do you know it can increase up to 81%? I will let you know. Don't worry. Just wait for. On mobile recharge, you are getting self commission. What self commission? No, you are not getting. So what you are getting self then in place of self commission, you are getting 1% reach of the instant benefit of the recharge value. Suppose you are doing recharge of 666 rupees of Geo, and 1% means 6 rupees 66 paisa less you have to pay. Like you have to pay only 659 rupees 34 paisa. Okay, so that is the 1% instant benefit, and every time it is not like in some other applications you are going and then you are getting some 5 rupees 20 rupees one time, and then you are going for recharge next time, then they are telling please try next time. Here in mobile pay it is not like that. Whenever you do the recharge, every time you are going to get 1%. Okay. And do you know that if you refer somebody in mobile pay, you can have a handsome commission out of that, and there is a CUG where you can put these people in CUG, where if they do the transaction, you will be receiving a lot of money out of that. And this, that how many people you can introduce in your front. You can introduce 30, 20, 10, or even more like this. No, you can go up to 100 and 200 1000, depends upon how many people are knowing, or from the floating population. So that way you can increase your CUG, right? And once you increase your CUG, you can have a lot of money. So on recharge, from your first level, you are going to receive 0.5% of the recharge value. Means what? How much you are getting from the recharge? 1% benefit, that is 6 rupees 66 paisa. So from your direct, you are going to receive sorry, 0.5% of the recharge value, that is 3 rupees 33 paisa. Okay. And thereafter, from second level to fifth level, you are going to receive 12%, whatever the amount is left over. Okay. So this way you can have a lot of money from your CUG also, right? So the whatever the amount it will be, the 12%, it will be around 30 paisa. So 30 paisa from all the level. If you just imagine, if you have 1 lakh people in your CUG, everybody is doing recharge, then how much money you are going to receive only from the recharge commission, right? So that way the things are going to increase. I mean to say your income is going to increase the way mobile pay is transforming day by day. Okay. And next, all the money, how much it is going to be distributed, is there on the screen. If you want, you can take the screenshot. Okay. And from ToPay card, BBPS, discount voucher, affiliate, if you are going to purchase anything, and mobile pay mall, you are going to receive 8% CUG commission. Okay. That you all know. So ToPay card is there. Company is providing. There are two types of card, you all know. You are getting whatever payment you are giving, that you are going to receive back if you transact 25,000 transaction. Okay. So and the card is available for 7 years. And how? 1,000 rupees or 1,219 rupees. There are two types of card are available. Okay. I'll not explain much because you all know. And every day 9 o'clock there is a meeting. So how to get that money from card if you, in your CUG, if people are applying? See, from the first level 50 rupees, second, third and fourth 5 rupees, and the fifth indirect, that is fifth level 50 rupees. And for that, what you have to do? Just 100 rupees they have to put in their wallet. The person who is going to apply card, at the same time, after applying the card, he has to add 100 rupees in his wallet, and you as a upline, you receive these amounts. Okay. There should not be any confusion. So there are clubs also. Okay. And you all know, I'll not explain because there are three types of club, and you are receiving 2% of the company turnover in each club you are getting, and also you are getting some money from the card. But I will not tell about the card, because this company turnover 2% commission, how much it will be, just wait till last. I will explain. It will open your eyes. I am telling you. Today, you all will not sleep at home. The things I am going to explain over here. Okay, so PLC I will not explain because two types of PLCs are there. Second level PLC and first level direct PLC is there. You all know better because it has been explained many times. So on 3rd of August, no, during the anniversary celebration, the vendor process was introduced. These are the vendors, you all know, even shops or kirana store, and this electrician, plumber, barber, beauty parlor, AC mechanic, carpenter, medicine shop. These are people are there, are the vendors for us. Okay. So actually the story is we wanted to introduce this vendor process in 2020 itself, but we had no manpower. Today we are growing at the rate of 2 to 500 rupees, 500 people daily. So the things are increasing, and very soon you will find we are crossing more than 10 lakhs. Okay. So that is why the vendor process has been brought over. And why the need has arisen? Because the vendor registration, no, they will ensure verified and accountable, because you are paying money to them. They have to provide, very good quantity of quality and quantity of the goods and services they have to provide. That is why the vendor process has been introduced. Service quality and the commission structure. You will be receiving a lot of commission from these vendors. Okay. So for vendors, it will be fast payment, like digital records are there, very low cost. We are just settlement amount is only 50 paisa per settlement, and a wide customer base. Even the MobilePe, we are the users, and we are going to create more and more users. So these users will be going to those vendors, and they will be using the services, and they're purchasing the items from them. So they have wide customer base, and money security is of course there, and of course there will be some cashback offers also. Okay. There is some fact about the vendor process you must know, gentlemen. You will not have this information from many of the places. So I can just explain that this is a very good process. You are going to have this, and why you should go for there is a fact sheet. See, in India, more than 25 lakh 6,002 crore. 25 lakh 6,002 crore. Can you imagine? Kitna paisa hota hai? How much money it is? This money will, if you have a house, say room of 20 by 20, the complete room will be filled, and even more will be left outside. That much money people are using every quarter. Means every 3 months the transaction is happening in India. That is a consumer spending. Means people are using for vendor process. I mean to say services. They are purchasing items from the vendors, like clothing items, shoes, or ornaments, or utensils, or the household items, the FNCG items. Okay, this is the fact. Why I am telling that? Why you should go for more and more vendor process? This is the eye-opening. 25 lakh 602 crore. Just imagine how much it will be. Okay. So in India, we have a very complex system. 13 million traditional retail grocery stores are there. Means the one they are having no biggest kirana store, not the one you have in your village. Some no sub-cities in your village, adjoining to your village. More than 13 million traditional retail grocery stores are there in complete India. I am telling you, 1.3 crore, more than that. Okay. The fact is, and 8 lakhs per plumbers, 5 lakh plus electricians and 3,74,000 barbers, and more, even more are there, and 20 lakhs plus AC technicians. These all peoples are your vendor. 65 lakhs beauty parlor, my goodness, and 5,50,000 plus pharmacies are there. 3.6 crore trained carpenters are there in India. More than 13 lakhs allopathic doctors are there. And the Ayush doctors, that BMS, BHMS, more than 6 lakhs. And more than 75,000 tailors are there, those who have taken the education from ITI. And the floating tailors are there that I have not added. Okay. More than 30,000 boutiques are there. There also the ladies tailors, you can say. Okay. So these are the facts. In 2014, one company was formed for vendor service, and 25,000 trained professionals. Of course, they are into different parts. Okay. But they are into, they are also targeting the vendors. Okay. Now, what is the, turnover in only 1 year, 2024, 827 crore. The name of the company is Urban Company, and that this is only from Delhi. Can you imagine? MobilePe is all over India, 900 plus cities, small or big. So what is the fact? We started in July 2020. 8 lakh users in 900 plus cities. We are growing daily 200 to 500 users per day. And the services turnover is more than 150, 140 crore. So what will the turnover from vendors? Can you imagine? Can you calculate? No, let me tell you. 8 lakhs users in 900 cities. If every user is just making 20 vendors, so the vendors will be 1.6 crore. And if every user is just making 100 users in that particular area, the users will be 16 crore. And everybody will be going to these vendors or asking them to give the services or purchase items from them. And suppose they are just giving 10% commission to our MobilePe, what will be the, and this our users will be just using 1,000 rupees as a they are spending to that vendor. What will be the, can you imagine the turnover? I will tell you. It will be 1,600 crore. The commission will be, but turnover will be 16,000 crore. Okay, 16,000 crore will be the turnover, and 1,600 crore will commission will come to the MobilePe. And how much money will go to the club, that I will let you know. Okay. So these are the vendors. You can register to them. So how to go? It is already there. PPT you people might have already received. If not, I can forward tomorrow. And it is there in our mobile application also, that how you to go. First, they have to become our user, and then thereafter they will be registering as a vendor. Okay. So these are the process are already there. I'll not take much time about this. So there will be two types of vendors, the shop vendor and the service providers. So this is the way how they can register themselves. Okay. So this is the vendor dashboard. Once they registered, they can see over here. So who can create vendor? Vendor, who can create vendor? Can everybody create vendor? Yes, anyone, any user can create a vendor. Okay. So any MobilePe user can create vendor. Okay. So how to become club member? There is some benefit, gentlemen. Simply registering a vendor, you are not going to get a lot of money out of that. So company has provided some club. So these club members, once you become the club member and you register any vendor, then what will be your benefit? Then you must know. There are 4 options company has given. That is a general club, gold club, Platinum Club, and Elite Club. These all your people know. For Gold Club, some amount you have to pay. For Platinum Club also, for Elite Club also, and the General Club is totally free. In that, you are going to get a very minor commission you are going to receive in paise. That I will explain. Okay. So Gold member, how can you become? If you pay 5,000 up to 25,000, from 5,000 to 25,000, you become Gold Club member. And once you registered vendors and our users, they will go and purchase items, and they will be using the services. So you will be receiving certain part from the commission received by the MobilePe, because these vendors know they will be giving commission to MobilePe. Okay, why? Because we are increasing the number of user. I would say consumer, more and more consumer from MobilePe are going to purchase and going to take services from them. So whatever amount you are given, until unless your amount becomes 1.5 times, you will carry on receiving 20%. The day it is your 1.5 times you are received, then thereafter lifetime you will be receiving 10%. Whenever our users are the going and purchasing item and taking the services, you will be receiving 10%. Okay. And same way, to become platinum, you have to say conditional refundable security amount you have to pay to the company, 26,000 to 1 lakh rupees. And here 1.75 times till your whatever money you have paid. If it does not, then you will be receiving no 25%, and thereafter flat 10% lifetime. And Elite Club, more than 1 lakh, and here your value, whatever 1 lakh you have given, you will be receiving 30% till your amount becomes 2 lakhs. And thereafter 15% whole life you are going to receive. Okay. And General Club, you don't have to pay anything. You will be receiving just 5%. Okay. Lifelong. So there is a earning probability. Let us discuss. MobilePe user. Okay. And lot many vendors are there. You are registering and vendor has agreed to give 10% commission. Okay. Then what will happen? You just see. MobilePe company. Can you imagine commission receipts? I already explained. Okay. So user is going and spending money to this vendor, and vendor has agreed to give 10%. User transaction is only 1,000. The company will receive 100 rupees as a commission from that vendor because he has agreed to give 10%. Okay. So distribution, how it is? The company will have 84 rupees 70 paisa after GST. GST, after deduction of GST, 84 rupees 70 paisa company will have. And company has to distribute out of 84 rupees 70 paisa. Okay. So 25%, company will keep. That is 21 rupees 17 paisa. It will be with the company. Now 63 rupees 50 paisa, 53 paisa will go for distribution. Okay. So how it is? 51% will go to as a self commission. The person who has gone and purchased or who has taken the services from that, you will be receiving 51%. Okay. As a gold member, what you will receive? Suppose you are gold member and you yourself, you are purchasing some item or you are taking services from any vendor like barber shop or beauty parlor or whatever it may be, then you will have 71%. Okay. But if you are a platinum member, you will have how much? 75%. Suppose it is supposed to be 76. I am sorry. And if you are elite member, it will be 81%. Okay. And apart from that, you will be receiving CUG commission through vendor process, that is flat 5% from every level. Okay. And for that, you don't have to purchase any card. Okay. So 63 rupees 53 paisa, how it is being distributed. If you want, you can have, screenshot of this. See how it is distributed. Like, self commission 51%, level 5 level 5%, and general club member will get 5%, and the DDO 3%, EDO 1%, SDO 1%, and every club will go 1%. Okay. And the same way, as a gold member, you will be receiving 20%. See the amount difference. Okay. And as a platinum member, see the amount difference. It is 15 rupees 88 paisa out of, if 1000 rupees is simply spent out. And if it is elite member, it is 19 rupees. Just imagine. Okay. So this is how you are going to receive. So how will you approach the vendor? You just approach and go to, sir, good morning or good afternoon, good evening, what time you are going. Sir, I am user of MobilePe company. I want your little time to explain my company system, through which there will be lot of customers, no, they will be coming to you, because these customers are from MobilePe and they are not coming to your particular shop, or your they are not using your services. So after taking time, explain earning through MobilePe, recharge, bill payment, and vendor process, because he is going to become your user also. Okay. And thereafter, explain him that MobilePe is a digital payment processor like Phone Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, Bharat Pay, etc. Blah blah. So once you download our application of our company, you can earn additional money out of vendor process, because lot many customers will be coming to your shop, and they will be using the services. And like way, you can explain other things, whatever the vendor process knowledge you have. So ask him whether he is eager to know. If he is not showing interest, or whether he's showing interest, so you have to find out, no. So if you see that, yes, okay, he's taking interest and he's agreeing to be explained about the vendor process, then what you have to give him, a certain commission, whatever he has to give commission to MobilePe, that you have to explain. Then how much income he will receive through by using our application. And then KYC process, that he has to pay 50 rupees per full KYC. Right? All these things you have to explain. If he says, no, I'm not interested, then you just explain him that what loss he is going to have, the probable loss. Because see, what will happen, sir, tomorrow, whatever the people they are coming to your shop, these all people are going to become the user of MobilePe. And these people, if you are not becoming vendor today, tomorrow, if you are approaching me, I am sorry, I will not be able to make. Why? Because I will be making somebody else in your nearby, in your neighbor. So that gentleman, because he has agreed to give commission to MobilePe, so I have directed my all the MobilePe users to that shop, that vendor. So that will be a great loss, that you can say him. That way, you have to approach to these vendors. Okay. So the three things what you have to do, each one of you become either gold member or platinum member or elite member, depends upon you, because just merely 5,000 rupees will fetch you gold member and a good earning. Okay. And register 20 vendors in your area. Gentlemen, every 500 meters you can register one, or 1 kilometer, but it should not be more than that, because nobody tries to go more than 1 kilometer. Okay. And then refer 100 users in that particular area, then only we will be able to provide customer to these vendors. Okay. That is your duty, you have to follow. Okay. Now company is also doing some marketing strategy, you all might be knowing. Okay. So what we are doing, we have tied up with 191 offline online stores. These are the stores. I have I have all the this one, whatever the stores are there. These are online, offline. See, you can see onto the screen, like Ellen Solly, it is offline. But this assembly, there is a apparel and accessories this company is giving. It is an online store. Bata offline. Bewkoof. This is also apparel. It is giving online. Be young, and many more are there, gentlemen. I have a list. I'll be showing at the last. Okay. So 191. Now what company is going to receive? Company is going to receive 1% to 50%. So let us assume, and on average 5% company is going to receive. What will be the scenario? Friends, transactions made with these online offline vendors will play a very big role in FSC. So I'm going to explain about the FSC. Okay. Please don't go anywhere because actual big earning is coming now. Okay. So earning through MobilePe Financial Suvidha Center. So what is Suvidha Center? You all know that empowering communities with financial services. A one-stop center where all the financial services will be provided by you. People don't have to go anywhere. Okay, and the goal is to improve the financial literacy. Of course, that is you are doing a good cause for the India. And the primary objective of the Suvidha Center will be every individual must know the financial knowledge and the basic banking and financial services and the gap between the traditional banking and the unreserved community. These are the things, no, that you will be. And so what are the products of FSC? Like, you will be able to sell our prepaid cards, no, which will be NCMC enabled, bank credit cards, loans, mutual fund, vehicle insurance, digital saving bank accounts, courier services, vendor onboarding, utility services, advisor registration, and many more are going to come. I'm telling you, right? So what is the benefit of Suvidha Center? See, easy access to financial services in rural and remote areas because people are getting restricted to the towns only. They are not going to the rural villages. Okay, so you will have a access. How? Because all the FSCs, they will have to do certain things, and how the things are going to spread. Okay, so you are going to give a very good cause to the society, right? So who are the target population? Anyone who is 18 years and above, and he knows how to operate a smartphone, having an income source to run his household items, knowledge of digital transaction, and eager to earn extra money. These are the target population you must target. Sorry. So how the earning is through vendor, I mean to say FSC. Let us take the example of two products only. Okay. One is credit card of many banks. It is not only one bank. Many banks credit cards you will be able to sell. And 191 online offline vendors. Only two incomes I am going to explain to the FSC. The person who is going to take FSC, only these two income I am going to explain. And why you should take FSC, that will you will see once I am showing the income. Okay. Credit card. On each credit card, company will give you 2,000 rupees. Okay. And offline online vendors, approximately 10% commission to you. What will be that commission? How much it will be? Just imagine. Let me tell you. First, let us explain that what will be your duty as a FSC. You have to appoint 300 advisors in the group. Like, not direct. It is not required direct. You can have 5 people, and then you can ask them to go for 20 people, and then also ask those people to go for 10-20. So this way in your group, there should be 300 advisors in your group. That is very much required, gentlemen. Okay. And they will sell your product and services. Also, they will make user. Okay. Because from the user also they will be earning. And of course, they are going to become advisor, but they are going to become user also. And they will register vendors in their area. Okay. So how you are going to be benefited? Just imagine. To become an advisor, they will have to pay just 1,000 rupees one time only to MobilePe. Just one time. Okay. So income of FSC from credit card. Gentlemen, I know maybe many people have left over. Why? Because they don't understand what I'm going to explain. See, the 300 advisors will sell, say, in a month, they are just selling 5 credit cards. Okay. So what will be the volume? It will be 1500 credit cards in that particular month. How much the money revenue, how much it will come? Revenue generated will be 1500 cards into rupees 2000 per card. It will come 30 lakhs rupees will come to you, gentlemen, as a FSC in that particular month. Okay. Now what you have to do? Just share 1000 rupees to these advisors, because they have done some. Okay, they have gone to the I mean the people, they have spent time and energy, so you have to pay them 1000 or whatever the amount you want to decide with them. You can keep them on salary or give them target, or that depends upon you. Okay, so if you just said 1000 rupees to these advisors, 15 lakh rupees monthly will be saved to you. You can have 15 lakh rupees per month, gentlemen. And it depends upon you how much target you are giving to these advisors. Just imagine. Next, online offline store that is managed by the company, because company has approached to these online offline stores, not you and me. But company is so generous, they want to give money to you people. So how the FSC is going to earn money out of this? 300 advisors, they are just making 30 users. Everybody is making. How many users will be there in your district? There, say, let us assume only 20,000 users are there. And these all the 20,000 users, they are just spending 10,000 rupees on these 191 vendors, I would say online, offline stores. And you have been spending money. You are spending money on Zomato, Swiggy, Bata. You are going to Reliance Digital, Reliance Smart, Geo Mart. Everywhere you are spending money. More, many are there. 191 just, and the things are going to increase. It is going to be more than 1000 in near future. Okay. So 10,000 rupees is a mere, I'm just taking example. So what will be the total transaction? 20,000 people just spending 10,000 rupees. The total transaction will be 20 crore. And suppose MobilePe is receiving on an average only 5%. It will be 1 crore as a commission will be received by MobilePe. And you know that 75% are only coming to us. So 75% of 1 crore will be 75 lakhs. 75 lakhs is coming in distribution. Okay. So 10% is your income from online offline store as FSC. 10% of 75 lakhs. 7,50,000 will be 7,50,000 will be your monthly income. If you take is a monthly expenditure. So how much money you received from credit card? 15 lakhs, even more. I'll say 30 lakhs. And how much money you received from these online offline stores? 7,50,000. On example of 10,000 rupees expenditure. If the expenditure amount goes above, then this amount, how much it will be? So why I'm just showing this? Because you have to take a decision. Because very limited place are there. It is not that how many FSCs we want to make, we can. No. Only 700 FSCs has to be made. Okay. Now, gentlemen, total users in from one district is 20,000. I just take an example. Now everybody is expending 10,000 rupees. So 20 crore the total transaction, and the 75 lakh rupees is coming as a 75% distribution. So you know that 1% will be distributed in every club. So how much money is going to come? 75,000, 75,000, 75,000 in every club. But scenario is will be little different, gentlemen. If it is coming from 700 districts, then what will be the scenario? Can you imagine? Just see. 5%. And this is from one district, 75 lakhs. How many districts are there? How many FSCs we are going to make? 700 districts FSCs, 700 FSCs. So the total amount commission we are going to receive is 525 crore. How much money is going to come in clubs? Nobody might have thought, gentlemen. I am just showing you. And this is a mere example I am telling you. The future is going to be of mobile pay. I am telling you. Now in club one, say suppose by the time there are 500 people, they have qualified the club. What is the qualification of club? 100 cards in your second level. You qualify the club one. And suppose there are 500 people in club one. How much money everybody will get? 1,05,000. Is it less only from the club? And in club two, what is going to happen? Right now, only 2 people are there. I am thinking by the time 10 people will come. Okay. So what will happen? For 52 lakhs 50,000 rupees each will get. Each person will get. And club 3, I am expecting 2 people. Okay. Then what will be there? 2 crore 62 lakhs 50,000 each person will get. Hey, I can say only thing. I have long vision. I don't know how much long vision you have. I just wanted to show my vision from my eyes to you people. It depends upon you whether you want to take. Money is there. Whether you want to take or you don't want to take. Right? Let's go further, gentlemen. So how to open Suvidha Center? Every district will have one FSC and they will be called as district manager. 700 districts, 700 district manager. Simple. Okay. So for every district, there is a conditional refundable security. You have to pay 1,50,000 only. And that also refundable. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to just discharge your responsibility and earn money. Okay. What is your responsibility? That I already explained. Okay. And time to time, you will be given instruction from the company. So it can be open physical or virtual. Right now you can have virtual, but in coming months, no, after the things are increasing, you have to go for physical, because until unless you sit someplace, people are not going to come. Or even you are asking somebody for the financial services, then you can call to your office and you can explain the things to them so that they will understand, okay, he is a genuine person. You will have a board of MobilePe, Suvidha Center, right? But right now there is a promotional offer, gentlemen. Get your district blocked by paying 60% now and rest after allotment. Okay. So just merely by paying 60%, how much it comes? 1,50,000, 60% comes only 90,000 rupees. By just paying 90,000 rupees, you can block your district, right? So this is a promotional offer going on, gentlemen. So now I'll be talking about the ToPay UPI. UPI means Unified Payment Interface. Okay. So what is ToPay? ToPay is the brand of MobilePe FinTech Private Limited. You all know, and it is a payment solution company focusing on remittance and banking correspondence solutions and mobile payments. Okay. And how the ToPay is going to work? It's no extra layer of convenience and security by eliminating need to link we are not linking your bank account to our UPI like other people like PhonePe, Google Pay, or the Amazon Pay, or the Paytm. Other people, they are doing. We are not doing like this because it has got risk getting scammed. So we are not taking, because without we are how we are operating without exposing your banking information, your risk is getting minimized. Okay. How it is going to work? Like, suppose I want to pay 500 rupees to Ravi Sharma. Okay. How it is going to work? I just put the money 500 and I just press the pay button. How the things are going to take place? The command will go to your ToPay wallet. Command will go to your ToPay wallet, and ToPay wallet after receiving the command, it will simply transfer the money to the person, means to Ravi Sharma. 500 he has received. Very simple, gentlemen. Okay. And why Ravi Sharma? Because he is in my contact list. So whoever is on your contact list, you can simply send it to him. Okay. If there is no contact list, then you can send through the UPI ID. Okay. So how will you load money in wallet? These are the payment banks are there, lot many you can use, or also through your bank via bank UPI, credit card, debit card, all options are there. Okay, you can add money to your wallet as you have been doing already. Okay, now why MobilePe using wallet for UPI transaction? Because bank account linking not required, and UPI we are adding a extra layer of convenience and security. That is why we are not using your bank account. So you can pay to any QR or UPI with our ToPay UPI. You can use your MobilePe ToPay wallet balance to pay via scanning any UPI. You have gone to the any shop and suppose you find the QR code of Amazon Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm, Google Pay, whatever is there. Just take out our MobilePe application, go to scanner, scan, and just pay, put the amount, how much you want to pay, and just pay. Simple, nothing else. Okay. And even you can send money to any of your person who has got a registered mobile number. Okay. So like this, no UPI ID, how it is going to your registered mobile number at the rate to pay, it will be your UPI ID, right? Suppose my mobile number is this. Okay, then my UPI ID will be mobile number at the rate to pay. Okay, so pay any QR code by scanning. Simple. So what will be your UPI ID? Your registered mobile number at the rate to pay, right? Now the question is, when UPI is going to be launched? Many people are just thinking. So when it is going to be launched? Gentlemen, let me explain. Testing is done successfully. See, some of the friends, we cannot, there was a APK file, we cannot provide to each and everybody. But your seniors, they have been provided with the, few seniors, they have been provided with the APK file. They have all transacted. They have sent money to some people. They have gone to the shops and transacted, and everything was done very successfully. Okay. Now, after that, we have submitted to the agency which is responsible for launching UPI. And you all know that which is that agency. That agency is NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. Okay. So we already forwarded to them. They will be just taking few days. So UPI will be in service. When? That is a big question, na? Gentlemen. Well before 20th of October, UPI is going to come. Excited? Thank you. Okay. So thank you, gentlemen. Let us know if you have any question or clarification. You can mail us on support@mobilepay.co.in if you want to know anything about the mobile pay. You want to know anything about the vendor process, then you can send a mail on vendor@mobilepay.co.in. If you want to know anything about the FSC process, you can mail us fsc@mobilepay.co.in. At the same time, if you have any issue, like you send a mail and you are not getting any reply, then I am giving one very important mail ID also. You can send on this mail also, so that you can receive a very good reply from these people. Okay. So gentlemen, I have one small thing. Now you see, now you struggle and then enjoy your life afterwards, or you want to enjoy now and struggle for whole life. Right. So I have one, this one, gentleman, that is a individual consideration that you have to think uh, if you want. But if you are considering growing with mobile pay, it's a great choice, gentlemen. The platform offers numerous opportunities for development and success. Ultimately, your commitment and effort will determine how far you can go. While there are other options available in the market, MobilePay stands out for its features and user base. Focus on leveraging the platform's potential, and you will likely see positive real sentiment. So thank you. Thank you very much, and good night.